looks like we'll have some rain coming in, but that can change with the timing. Make sure you're checking back to the latest forecast this week because we get into kind of a wet pattern heading into the new work week. As for the weekend, we see mostly dry weather. There is a shower and a few storms happening. Down the bayou, Houma got in on some steadier showers and a thunderstorm right now. Good bit of lightning with that one little storm that's moving east towards Lafourche Parish, crossing into Lafourche Parish right now. So Terrebonne and Lafourche seeing the scattered showers and some rumbles of thunder. But once this wraps up over the next couple of hours, that's basically it for today. I think we'll see a dry rest of today, but a cloudy rest of today. So a little gloomy, and temperatures should be in the 60s through the rest of the morning, but possibly touching the lower 70s this afternoon, rather. As we get into the afternoon hours, clouds stick around. There could be some peaks of sunshine later today, but overall kind of remaining cloudy all weekend long, and then temperatures should be back down into the 60s this evening. And with the moisture still around, we'll probably see another round of patchy to locally dense fog developing late tonight through early tomorrow morning. So if you have early Sunday plans, make sure you're driving carefully out there. Starting tomorrow morning with temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s, pretty similar to this morning. And as we get into tomorrow, it should be a little warmer than today. Mostly cloudy again with temperatures in the mid 70s, maybe some breaks of sunshine later in the day, and we trend mostly dry tomorrow. But our pattern does become very active heading into the week. We have a trough and a lot of moisture surging in early in the week. Then we kind of quiet down midweek, and then once again later in the week, another active trough and a moisture surge comes in, and we'll have multiple rounds of rain and storms coming our way. But as for today, once that little showery activity storm situation happening in the bayou wraps up, we should trend mostly dry the rest of today. This is around the lunch hour, not much happening, maybe some showers left right along the coast. Getting into the rest of today, some pops of sunshine possible, and staying dry through tonight and overnight through early tomorrow. Just looking at maybe some fog again early tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy skies on your Sunday, maybe a stray shower or rumble of thunder tomorrow. Again, not looking like much. A low chance of rain both today and tomorrow, and that's it because our chances of rain go way up as we head into the new work week. Early Monday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, maybe a foggy start to the day, but it comes later in the day. Here are the scattered showers and storms arriving later Monday. Lasting into Monday night, this looks like it could last overnight into early Tuesday. Looks like the bulk of the heavy rain might arrive early Tuesday, and then we dry up later Tuesday, stay dry Wednesday, and then getting into later in the week. So Thursday, Friday, showers make a return, but we'll be watching to see what the changes are with that because, of course, things will change. That is really far out in time. Also, as we go into the early part of the week, still a couple days away, so the timing of that rain coming in Monday, Tuesday can still change a little bit, and so can the placement. So make sure you're checking back with that. But right now, it looks like our rainfall totals for later Monday into early Tuesday can get a little hefty in a few spots, maybe up to 2 to 3 inches, maybe locally higher amounts up to 4 inches. So we can see some heavy rain moving in early in the week. That's why our area is highlighted for a marginal risk for street flooding. It is a low risk, level 1 out of 4, but the risk is there for Monday into early Tuesday because of the heavier downpours. We could see some street flooding late Monday, early Tuesday. Right now looks like the timing with that. Also on Monday, as those storms kind of move in from the west, there is a low chance for an isolated strong storm developing later Monday, again through early Tuesday. This is just a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. 1 or 2 storms may give us some brief gusty winds, possibly some small hail, in addition to the heavy rain. So we'll be watching for kind of a busy start to the work week. Here's your 7-day forecast, giving you temperatures every day in the 70s. So we do warm up. We stay a bit humid going into this week, and more spring-like with those multiple rounds of rain coming in early in the week. Wednesday will probably be our best day. We'll actually get